Oh my god, you're not gonna believe this shit. In the shop, damn Volvo with the hood up. Got stuff leaking all over the stuff leaking, broken leaking everything, just everywhere, just falling apart. Would you just look at it? Look at it. I tell you, I don't know. I'm just messing with you. We're over here in Salisbury, North Carolina, and gonna get a PM done on the truck real quick, since I have time to burn as usual. This whole week has been a freaking nightmare for me with loads and stuff, and I don't know if you guys caught my live feed from the other night, but the load that I took down to Florida was a complete cluster with getting unloaded, and now this load that I'm on now, that's delivering to the Aldi's up here in Salisbury, North Carolina, got messed up too, because I picked up this load in Moultrie, Georgia yesterday, and it was supposed to deliver last night. Picked it up at like, I don't know, I was supposed to pick it up at 14:30 and deliver it the same night at midnight. And I didn't get loaded until 7 o'clock last night. So there's no way I was making it from Moultrie, Georgia to Salisbury, North Carolina by midnight. So they bumped me out till tonight. So here I am with time to burn up here in Salisbury, North Carolina. And I figured might as well get my PM done real quick while I have time. Like I said in previous videos, got some very big things coming up with this truck, and there is another truck coming, obviously. And there is going to be somebody in this truck, obviously, very soon. So I want to make sure when I give it to this person that it's in tip-top shape. I'm getting the PM done early, so that way when he gets in the truck, he doesn't have to worry about it. Plus, I like to do my PMs a little bit earlier than called for anyway. This particular Volvo here, according to the manufacturer, you got to do a PM every 50,000 miles. But I like to do it a little bit earlier than that. I usually like to do it every 40,000, every 35. Why not, right? Gotta take care of your equipment. I mean, this thing has 67,000 miles on it. 67,000 miles on it right now. And the damn thing still looks brand spanking new. I mean, it looks good. Looks real good. Look at that. Looking good. So yeah, so let's I guess we're waiting for the guy to do the paperwork or something to authorize the work. So we're gonna wait for him to do that, and then we'll see if we can get some footage of this PM. The thing that sucks about having a Volvo, though, is parts. If you're not getting the work done at a Volvo dealer, it is a pain in the ass with parts. Now, this particular Love's here in Salisbury is also co-owned by Speedco, and they usually are pretty good when it comes to PMs. But with Volvo, they don't have all of the particular filters because they don't carry them in their system because it's a fucking Volvo. But thank God that I have time and I'm not delivering this load till tonight, because they're going to hop in they're going to send one of their guys to the Volvo dealer to go get the one filter that they don't carry. So we're going to be here a while, which is fine, because I ain't got nowhere to be for a while. Home, ba-doo. Alright, check it out, you guys. This will be a first for me. See, this Love's doesn't have the underground basement area where they walk under and drain the oil, so they're actually going to lift up the truck with the portable jacks. And I've never seen this done before except at a truck show, so this will be pretty cool. Pretty clean up under there still for 67,000 miles. It's a good thing I'm not waiting for fuel. Man, the line's all the way out to the street, and it wraps all the way around the fuel island over there. Man. Got a fresh fuel filter in here now. Truck's back on the ground. Got all the oil in it. Fuel filter's changed out. We're just waiting on that one filter for over here to get back. The guy had to go like an hour down the road to go get it, so frickin' Volvo parts. Crazy. But yeah, we're almost done over here, and then we'll back up underneath the trailer and be done sooner than later. Alright, check it out. Truck's out of the shop. Everything is done. Good to go. But wanted to finish the video off with this important tip. When you get your fifth wheel greased, especially when they put a lot of grease on the fifth wheel, the first time you back underneath your trailer, you need to do it the proper way. I'm going to show you how to do that. The first thing you got to do, if your truck has the option, is you got to lower the airbags down. So, got to drop the bags. Let's go outside here now. The reason why, that's a lot of grease on the fifth wheel. And if you don't slide up under that trailer properly, it's just going to push all the grease off the fifth wheel and down onto the ground and stuff like that and all over the truck. So what you have to do is you have to lower your airbags as low as you can go, and then you might even have to lift up the trailer a little bit so that way you get it as high as you can. That way you sit the trailer down onto the fifth wheel, and that way you get the grease distributed evenly. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, this is going to be pretty close. It's going to touch a little bit, but I think it'll be alright. We're going to find out. That worked out pretty good, actually. So now, I don't know if you saw, I pulled, once I backed up and I felt it touch, I pulled forward a little bit so that way when I start to drop the trailer down, I don't drop the kingpin on the jaws itself. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to lift up the bags and then lower the landing gear, and we should be good. That way we don't make a mess. Look at that, like a sandwich. Look at that. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. And that's that, you guys. That's pretty much the proper way to hook up to your trailer right after you get your fifth wheel greased, so that way you don't have freaking grease being smeared all over the front of the trailer, and you know, because you want that grease to be distributed, I can't say that word, distributed evenly. And if you just go and hook up to your trailer like you normally do with all that fresh grease on there, you're gonna lose all the grease when you go and slide up under the trailer. It's just gonna go all over the the bottom plate there. So when you grease your fifth wheel, do it the way I just did it. That way you maximize the grease, and that way you don't make a mess. Alright, that's enough for today's video. See you guys next time.